Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn a really interesting topic. But before starting with it, let me ask you few questions. So students, have you ever wondered that what lies inside our planet Earth? Is it full of substances like rocks or sands, or is it empty just like any tennis ball? And students, have you ever thought that water bodies like seas, oceans, lakes have land beneath them or not? So, today this chapter inside our planet Earth will answer all such questions. So, let's begin. As we all know, our planet Earth is a really unique planet. It constantly undergoes changes both inside and outside. Now, as we know, the topic is inside our Earth. So, we are going to study largely about interior of the Earth. Our planet is made up of several concentric layers just like an onion. Now, what do we understand by concentric layers? Concentric layers means one layer inside another. As depicted in the picture, onion also has concentric layers which is one inside another. Similarly, Earth constitutes of various layers which is inside it. Moving ahead, let's talk about the major layers inside our planet Earth. The first layer is known as crust, and the second layer is known as mantle. Take care of the pronunciation here, mantle. And the innermost layer or the third layer is made up of core. So now we are familiar that earth is majorly made up of three layers, that is crust, mantle and core. Another classic example of our planet Earth is a boiled egg. The outermost layer of egg, which is shell, it can be compared to the first layer, that is crust. And the white liquidy portion is can be compared to the second layer, mantle. And the innermost yellow yolk, that is yolk, can be compared to the innermost layer of earth, which is core. Now, moving ahead and talking about the first and the uppermost layer of our planet earth is crust. It is thinnest of all layer. Now you will be really amazed to know that crust is further divided into two parts, which is continental crust and oceanic crust. Now what is the difference between these two crusts? Let me tell you. The continental crust is about 35 kilometer deep, whereas the oceanic crust or ocean floor is just 5 kilometer deep. If you remember in the beginning, I asked you whether there is land or floor beneath water bodies or not. So the answer is yes. Just like any swimming pool, I believe you all must have seen a swimming pool just like any swimming pool which has a floor beneath it. Similarly, we can imagine various water bodies having land or floor beneath them. Now, moving ahead and talking about another difference between these two crusts is oceanic crust consists of silica and magnesium. Now, silica and magnesium are the minerals which are found in rocks. So, together they are known as SiMa, right? Si for silica and Ma for magnesium. Whereas the continental mass is made up of silica and aluminum. Together they make Sial. Silica, Si stands for silica and Al stands for alumina. Now let's talk about the second layer of planet Earth, that is mantle. Mantle is 2900 kilometer in depth and it is just below the first layer, that is crust. Moving ahead and talking about the innermost layer and the layer with highest temperature and pressure, that is core. Core is 35 kilometer in radius and it has minerals which are nickel and iron. Ni for nickel and Fe for ferrous makes knife. Now we have a really interesting fact here. The deepest mine in world is South Africa, which is 4 kilometer deep, right? The engineers have dug hole about 6 kilometer and it is really impossible to reach to the core or the center of the earth, which is 6,000 kilometer in depth. So students, today we have learnt about three layers of earth. The top and the uppermost layer is crust, which is further divided into oceanic crust and continental crust. The second layer is mantle, right? And the innermost layer is core. So that is all for today. We are going to resume in the next class. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day. Take care.